Hey everyone, I'm back. I thought I'd give you guys a quick run through of the balcony garden, see what's going on. Excuse the mess, there are some little things that are messy in there. See the little guy right there. Say hi. Anyways, this is how my eggplant is doing. I did have a little field mouse issue, but I successfully got rid of him. And I shouldn't have any problems with that. Hopefully nobody's offended by that, but some pests are more harmful to you than, necessary, and you want to make sure the health of your family and your garden is okay. So anyways, that being said, this is the eggplant. The other one, unfortunately, I had to move it because it was on its last leg, but I will do an update on that because I was able to save him by hanging him upside down next to my tomato plant that I also saved, which is wonderful, and they are thriving and growing very, very well. So I'll take you into there, but it is towards the end of September. I don't know if you can get in here. You can see that there are some flowers there still. And down here, also some flowers wanting to come out. So you've got a couple of offshoots too. I like the offshoots because I think it makes this particular one a little bit stronger. And I feel like he might produce if he feels a little bit more sturdy. That's my compost tea over there. So you can do it on your balcony. I just put all my scraps in there, fill it up with a little bit of dirt and water, and let the sun do it. It doesn't smell at all, which is really nice. The sun kind of takes that smell away. He's growing pretty well. This is just a pineapple top. Save the pineapple top, people. And here is a tomato. I had a little bit of an aphid problem with my eggplant, and it started kind of going over to my tomato, so I got rid of that really quickly. There's still somewhat there, but not nearly as much. And what I did was I put in a spray bottle of water and a little bit of olive oil. That seemed to work. I was doing the garlic and the cayenne pepper and a little bit of the soap and such, but I don't know, maybe I have different type of aphids because they were just drinking that stuff up. They actually seem to be keeping at bay just with water and olive oil, which I think is kind of awesome. So, excuse the noise in the background, that is actually someone's bike. Okay, so what do you guys think about this? I got this dragon fruit plant from Home Depot, and it really doesn't look like anything else I've seen on YouTube. But man, oh man, he's growing. As you can see, I'm probably going to have to tie them up pretty soon. But differently, because as you can see, it looks like it was grafted onto a moon cactus. That's how it came. Initially, one piece was taller, but within 24 hours it broke. So tell me if you guys have had good experience or bad experience with the dragon fruit plant from Home Depot. As you can see, there was a bite taken out of it. He's healed successfully and he's continued to grow. So this is another plant that I got from Home Depot. This is a dwarf nectarine. As you can see, he's got leaves on him. but I think he's in a dormant stage right now. So, get my camera to focus. There we go. This, I love this. This is Mama Sapote. So I ordered it from Fruits and Roots, and I actually took the seed and I planted it, and as you can see, he's gorgeous. He's grown so well, so successfully, that I actually have 2 more seeds in here in the ground. See if I can get in there and show you. It's another Mama Sapote seed. And then I have another one somewhere over here. Yep. It took a while to come up, but as you can clearly see, it was definitely worth the wait. I want to say I had it in the ground for maybe a couple of months before anything really showed through, and then bam. This is my other pineapple topping. He's been through a lot, just to show their resiliency. They're kind of like, you grow them kind of like cactus. I'm not sure if I think they're loosely related to the cacti family, but I'll have to do my research on that. But anyways, he's been attacked so many times and bitten down, and he just keeps growing back. So he's a champion, he really is. Let's go over here. This is from a mango seed. Yes. Where are my little tomatoes from? My cherry tomato plant. But yeah, this is from a mango seed. So I saved a mango seed and grew him, and he's doing so well. Look at him. So I just save my seeds and dry them out, and when I feel like planting them, I plant them, and they'll bounce back. You can tell the birds like my garden as well. And this is from a lemon. It's a lemon seed. So that's pretty cool. Again, disappointment with the Home Depot plant. This was my strawberries. Bonnie Bell strawberries, paid almost $13 for them. And it never really produced. I just had trouble after trouble with this thing. It finally started to come back maybe about a week ago, and just as quickly as the green came, it died. So I'm not quite sure what's going on with that one. I might have to dig up my crowns and replant them. That could be an issue. So if you have any suggestions, leave them down below. This right here is my avocado seed, and I grew him in water until he had roots, and then I planted him. Let's see if we can get on top of him and see the little guy in there. You can kind of see he's peeping out, and he'll continue to do well. We're gonna have to water him today too, because they can't dry out. These right here, these are all papaya seeds. All papaya seeds. So I enjoyed my papaya, and I threw the seeds in the pot and just forget it. And I always get a little nervous thinking that they're not gonna grow, but they always do. I mean, look how fervent and beautiful and green they are. I really, really enjoy the color of them. Like their particular green. They're just gorgeous. Look at them. Just gorgeous. And then we have over here, I just planted some beets over here. So hopefully they'll grow soon. I believe those are some radishes trying to come up, but I'm not quite sure. That is my celery, replanting, and so is this one. He is doing so well. What is that over there? What is that? Look how well he's doing. I mean, like, see if I can show you how well he's doing. And that's just one I cut, juiced, and then threw him back in the ground. My green onion. And this is my squash. It was a transplant. I transplanted him twice. 3 seedlings, and he was the one that kind of stuck. So all 3 of them did pretty well. One of them got stolen by my little field mouse rat friend. And then the other one, I tried to move him to give him more room, and I guess he just didn't like that. Also him too, I've been spraying the olive oil on him. And you can see in my leaves underneath, there's nothing there. Nice clean leaves. So, focus, yeah. There you go. So, there you have it. That is my balcony garden. And like I said, my balcony is not that big. So I really like the way this looks. It's just so, look how massive. I mean, I can't even get it all in the frame, it doesn't seem like. Hope you guys can see that. Yeah, just a little balcony garden. Not that big at all, but what you're able to grow. But one last thing. Don't mind the mess. Again, these are my potatoes. So, I will keep you guys updated. And talk soon.